Hello dear fans. How to determine the mass of nitrogen. Nitrogen is an element with atomic number 7 in the periodic table of chemical elements, which was discovered by D.I. Mendeleev. Nitrogen is designated by the symbol N and has the formula N2. Under normal conditions, nitrogen is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless diatomic gas. It is from this element that our earthly atmosphere consists of 3/4. Instructions. Step 1. Today, nitrogen is widely used in various industries. So, compounds containing this element are used to create dyes, explosives, medicines, and other chemical industries. Step 2. Nitrogen gas has excellent properties that resist decay, decomposition, oxidation of materials. It is used to purge various pipelines, to fill the tire chambers of cars and aircraft. In addition, nitrogen is used for the manufacture of ammonia, special nitrogen fertilizers, in coke production, etc. Step 3. Of course, only specialists in chemistry and physics know how to find the mass of nitrogen, and the formulas given below will allow even the most inexperienced pupils or students to subtract and find out the mass of this substance. Step 4. So, it is known that the nitrogen molecule has the formula N2, the atomic mass or the so-called molar mass is equal to 14,00674 ae, mg/mol, and, therefore, the paint mass of the nitrogen molecule will be equal to 14,00674 times 2 is equal to 28,01348, round up and get 28. Step 5. If it is necessary to determine the mass of a nitrogen molecule in kilograms, then this can be done in the following way: 28 by 1 AMU. IEM is equal to 28 times 1, 660, 5402, 10, times 10 to 27 kilograms equals 46, 5 times 10 to 27 kilograms equals 438. Determination of the mass of nitrogen will allow in the future to easily calculate formulas containing the mass of a nitrogen molecule, as well as find necessary components, which, for example, in a chemical or physical problem are unknown. Thanks for watching.